So when you're learning how to use a rotary, this is a perfect vehicle. It looks like the paint is totally hammered, but it obviously comes right up when we start to buff with a wool pad. And because of the way that CSI products are made, you're not going to have the normal, what everybody says is burning effect that happens when you use these prehistoric products with what I call rocks in a bottle. CSI is not made like that. I built this product to work in the body shop for guys just like you and girls. I know we've got a lot of guys and girls really interested in this trade, either by hobby or trade for making a living. So don't be afraid of a rotary. We have great deals on rotary tools now. They're really easy to use if you just get behind them a little bit. Don't just go for the DA polisher. And I can tell you, there's nobody with a DA polisher that could productively polish this vehicle. And even though it seems strange that a customer would want this vehicle polished, the interior on this vehicle is 100% restored. The motor, interior, new carpeting, the dash has been painted, new dash pad, all of that is what he wanted with this patina. Here's another tool that I'm going to show you a little bit on how it works. A 3-inch Air Advantage polisher. We have all of these tools available up on our CSI Shine site. This is a gear-reduced 3-inch polisher. So when you plug it in and you start to push down, you're not going to be able to stall it like you would the cheap 3-inch tools. So let me show you how this works. At CSI, we really did build this company to sell great products at a reasonable price. This tool falls into that category. It is the best 3-inch polisher that I've ever seen. Watch this. That's 3,000 RPM with 150 pounds of air pressure. You cannot stop it. Dull paint. I'm pushing hard. Now obviously, I wouldn't want to do this whole vehicle with a 3-inch polisher, but for doing the door jambs in this car or for polishing the dash after we painted it, this tool is unbeatable. You can't stall it, and the pads replace easily with our 3-inch pads. This is a 3-inch backing plate. So check that out on our site, CSIshine.com.